Hey guys, this is Kyle from Lingo, and we got something exciting to share with you guys today. Since Lazada is celebrating their 6th birthday, they sent us one of their brand surprise boxes that you can get during their birthday festival from 24th to 26th April. Now, these surprise boxes are sold at just 29 Singapore dollars. The contents inside is guaranteed to be worth 100 Singapore dollars. We've got the Lazada X Soul Audio Box, which we will be unboxing for you guys today. Now, in order not to ruin the surprise, we will just be showing you one of the items that you can get inside the X Soul Audio Surprise Box. We will reveal the Soul Storm, which is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, its compact size makes it very portable to travel around with. The included carabiner will also allow you to hook it onto your backpack as you go on your next adventure outdoors. Relative to its small size, it certainly packs a punch. As a 5-watt speaker, you can expect it to be loud enough for groups of 3 to 5 people in an outdoor environment. A single charge should also last you about 8 hours of music playback. To get started, simply turn on the speaker and the blue LED should start flashing fast, indicating that it is ready to pair. Simply head to your Bluetooth settings on your phone to search for it. The Soul Storm has a protective cover over the micro USB charging port to protect it from the elements. So do make sure to keep it tightly sealed when you are not charging it. On the front of the speaker includes volume adjustment buttons as well as a call button to answer calls. Skipping to the next track can also be easily done by holding down the plus button, while holding down the minus button would go back to the previous track. We've included a special Lingo voucher code which you can find in the description below. This code will allow you to get 18% discount and is capped at $6. Hurry now because this code will only be valid for the first 100 customers only. You can also head over to the link in the description to check out over 600 flash deals and up to $120 worth of vouchers to obtain. We hope you have enjoyed the unboxing of Lazada's brand surprise box. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube to get the latest tech reviews and recommendations right here in Singapore. This is Kyle signing off.